Time, the one thing we can never get back. Yet so many of us waste it as if we have an infinite supply. Let me ask you this. How many hours, days, or even years have you spent dreaming of the life you want, but never taking real action? Today that changes. Today, we stop wasting time and start building your dream life. Tony Robbins once said, "The only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment." Let that sink in for a moment. The life you want is within reach, but it starts with a decision to stop waiting and start doing. Here's how we're going to do it. A step-by-step guide to get you from where you are now to where you want to be. Let's break it down. Step 1, get clear on your vision. Take out a piece of paper and write down exactly what your dream life looks like. Be specific. What does your career look like? Your relationships, your health, your finances? Clarity is power. Step 2, set realistic and actionable goals. Break your vision into smaller, achievable steps. If your dream is to start a business, your first goal might be researching the industry. If it's improving your health, start with a 30-minute daily workout. Step 3, eliminate time-wasting habits. Audit your day. How much time do you spend scrolling social media, binge-watching shows, or procrastinating? Replace those hours with productive actions. Remember, discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Step 4, create a routine that works. Your routine is your foundation. Start small, wake up an hour earlier, dedicate time each day to your goals and stick to it. Consistency beats intensity every time. Step 5, surround yourself with the right people. Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." If your circle isn't lifting you up, it's holding you back. Find mentors, join communities, and connect with those who inspire you to do better. Success isn't built in a day, but it is built daily. Every small step, every disciplined choice, every moment spent working toward your goals brings you closer to the life you've always dreamed of. So what are you going to do with the time you have left? Are you going to keep wasting it, or are you ready to take control? The choice is yours, but remember, every second you waste is a second you could be investing in your future. Start today, start now, and I promise you'll look back one day and thank yourself for taking this first step. Subscribe for more life-changing strategies with Draymore.